Yes students, now we will discuss one more question related to diminishing balance method. After this method, your chapter will be over. So, next question or last question of diminishing method, illustration number 15. Lakshmi Limited purchased machinery for 40,000 on 1st October 2015. Depreciation is provided 10% per annum on diminishing balance method. On 1st January 2018, that means in third year, 1/4 of the machinery was found unsuitable and disposed of. Disposed of means sold off for 6,000. And on the same date, a new machinery purchased at the rate of 15,000. Write up machinery account for 4 years and accounts closed on 31st March each year. So, as we studied in statement that 1/4 part is disposed of. So, in the starting of the question, we will separate 1/4 part. Total cost of machinery is 40,000 and in third year 1/4 part is sold. So, 1/4 part will be separated. 1/4 of 40,000 is 10,000. Remaining will be 30,000. In this way, this question will become quite easy and there is no need of extra working notes. So, how we will do this question? Now you have to calculate depreciation by diminishing balance method at the rate of 10%. Asset purchased on October 1, year closed on March 31st, then it will become next year. By depreciation account, 10,000, 10% October to March for 6 months, that is 500, and remaining 30,000, 10% for 6 months, that is 1,500. So total depreciation will be 2,000. The balance 10,000 minus 500, 9,500, 30,000 minus 1,500, 28,500. So the total will be 38,000 and total of both sides 38 plus 2, 40 here and 40 here. So first year is closed. Now these balances should be brought down. 9,500 and 28,500 will become the opening balance in April 1. 38,000. In this year, no purchase and sale is there, so only depreciation should be calculated. By depreciation account, 10% of 9,500 for full year, that is 950. 10% of 28,500 is 2,850. So total depreciation is 3,800. Balances will be 9,500 minus 950, 85, 8,550 and 28,500 minus 2,850, 25,650. Total is 34,200 and the grand total is 38,000, same 38,000. Now the last and the most important year, second last year. So these balances should be brought down. 8,550 plus 2,550. In this year, first machinery 1/4 part is sold. So on January 1 and on the same date a new machinery is purchased. So on 2018 January 1, to bank account, new machinery is purchased for 15,000 and 1/4 part machinery is sold for 6,000. So by bank account 6,000. We have to calculate depreciation till the date of sale. On 8,550, as I told you, depreciation will be calculated on balance brought down. So 8,550 multiply 10 by 100 multiply 9 by 12. How 9 by 12? From April to January. January should not be taken because it is first. So 9 months, that is 641. The balance will be loss on sale. How it is computed? 8,550 minus sale value 6,000 minus depreciation till date of sale 641. So the loss on sale will be 1901. I hope it is clear. On March 31, by depreciation account on remaining two asset. Now first part has no use. We don't have any need to see it again and again. Now on 2,550 depreciation is for full year 2,565 and the new machinery which is purchased on January. So depreciation will be January to March. 15,000, 10%, 3 months. Depreciation is 375. So total depreciation will become 2,940. How the balance will be computed? Second machine is of 25650 less related depreciation of 2565. Balance will be 23085 and 15,000 minus 375. Balance will be 14,685. It's third year and at last there is no change. So just brought down these balances and calculate depreciation for full year, then calculate the balance. Fourth year you have to prepare yourself. Thank you.